आई थिंक पीटीवी में ये फ़र्क था क्योंकि पीटीवी में आपके जर्मन्स आते थे ट्रेनिंग के लिए, यूरोपियंस आते थे, काफ़ी ज़्यादा ट्रेनिंग पे एम्फेसिस होता था,
बाहर भेजते थे।
थोड़ा सा उस दौर के बारे में बताएंगे ट्रेनिंग और एजुकेशन के हवाले से। डू यू रिमेंबर?
जब मैं आई हूँ उस वक्त तो आई थिंक ऑलरेडी डिक्लाइन शुरू हो
अच्छा, 80s में डिक्लाइन हो रहा था. So that this was a 70s phenomenon.
Because 90s was disaster.
This 90s was disaster. हाँ.
So I was almost at the end of the 80s. 85 में तन्हाइयाँ हुआ था, 87 में धूप किनारे हुआ था, फिर उसके बाद NTM आ गया था, which was the first private channel that we had. But I do know कहानियाँ जो हम सुनते थे कि lot of people, even for your sound, your camera, all of these guys used to go for training and they used to, so everyone, पूरा जो environment professional होता था, आप 9 बजे पहुँचते थे, 10 बजे आप काम शुरू करते थे, and by sometimes 9 o'clock, sometimes 10 o'clock, you'd be done and you'd be home. And how shifts used to work, you had one main director of photography who would be there for the whole day, but आपके 8 घंटे की शिफ्टें होती थी. So things were done. We were in a studio, we were in a very comfortable environment, we were working with 3 cameras, which I think television should go back to. Studio and 3 cameras, and I think especially जो आपके indoor scenes होते हैं, outdoor में ठीक है, आप आप शायद वो luxury नहीं है आपके पास, लेकिन the whole atmosphere was very professional. So जब हम प्राइवेट साइड पे जब आए हैं, वी सडनली स्विच्ड ऑन टू सिनेमा टेक्निक, 1 कैमरा, सिंगल कैमरा, जिसमें शुरू में लाइट भी अच्छी नहीं होती थी, वो आहिस्ता आहिस्ता देन द obviously it's now become really I think that is one side that has really improved,
and the reason for the single camera was financial reasons.
Yes, always always financial. And we came into homes, पसीने आते थे, you couldn't shoot यहाँ तक, you got पसीने के marks, फिर आप वो dry कर रहे हैं, time, so many things just went out of control because of the fact that it was money based. So doesn't it
frustrate an actor or performer who's got to deliver a certain kind of look, character, feel, line? Because if you've done it in that very sort of structured environment, a professional environment, and then suddenly you have to come and do it in this private environment where everyone is trying to save the last rupee to maximize profits. How do you as an actor deliver the same level of quality?
You can't. I don't think you can. We do now, because a lot of the actors are just coming into this environment. They don't know that. They've never seen that environment. A lot of people adapted. I went into direction. I thought that was the best thing to do, because that makeup,
stay next to a fan.
Changing your clothes 20 times a day. I said, ये मुझसे नहीं होगा.
Right.
So, and the direction was something I wanted to get into. So for a long period I just directed. Then my husband and I, we opened our own company, and we did a lot of cooking shows,
right,
and other shows, which again वो आपका studio होता था,
right,
multi-camera, things that one was. My first play that I ever directed, मैंने एक studio hire किया, हमने multi-camera किया, लॉस में गया, लेकिन फिर भी it was a good. मैंने कहा किसी और के पैसों के साथ काम नहीं करना, अपने ही पैसों के साथ करना है. तो जब थोड़े से पैसे जमा हुए, so that was my
right,
sort of introduction. Again, सीखा हुआ नहीं था, लोगों को देख के. That's why I couldn't take the risk with someone else's money.
So you're saying कि it was better कि जो आज के जो नौजवान actors हैं, उन्होंने वो अच्छा दौर नहीं देखा.
वो दौर नहीं देखा, हाँ.
And it's a good thing क्योंकि they have nothing to compare to. Frame of reference ही नहीं है. So they can deliver their best because there's no.
Yeah. I mean, there are now performers जो मैं देखती हूँ कि अच्छा अभी हमारा we've reached a point where script बिचारी की कोई हैसियत नहीं है ना अब हमारे इसमें. So actor जो होता है वो कहता है, या if you have an actor like Noman Ejaz, वो script मांगेगा. There are certain people, the बच्चास really don't care. Some do, but a lot of them don't care. तो उनको उसी वक्त script मिलता है, तो वो एक नज़र ऐसे देखते हैं और पूछते हैं कि अच्छे से पहले क्या हुआ, इसके बाद में क्या हुआ, and they give you a performance.
Really?
Yeah.
Is that a good thing?
I don't know. I think both are okay as long as me as a director I'm getting that performance. But I just feel कि अगर वो आगे पीछे की कहानी खुद जानता हो, involved होता हो या होती हो, पढ़ के आई हो घर से, सब कुछ किया हुआ हो, आई थिंक यस मे बी एलिवेशन ज़रा सी और हाई हो जाएगी.
अभी